Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. Well, today is Wednesday. It is August 7th, and I'm having a good day. Today is my second walk of today. I went out this morning for a 2.5 mile walk in the pouring rain, and then it kind of eased up around 11 to 12 o'clock, and it kind of became a really good day. And so I came home and I rested up a little bit, and now I'm here out in the afternoons. Now it's nice and bright and sunny, and it's cool. And I'm here for my second walk. Today I'm at the Doyle Estate, or the Doyle Parking Center, and I'll throw some photographs up over the timeline. Might even do a little bit of a slideshow with some music behind this. But yeah, I'm having a really good week. I finally got my Ninja Mini Creamy ice cream maker. Plan on making some ice cream videos for you guys for low-carb weight loss. And we're getting ready to jumpstart our 5th year on keto on August 18th. And I'll have a lot to say. If anybody's looking for somebody to interview me, I'd be happy to do an interview. Or if you're looking to be interviewed, I'd be happy to interview you. What else we got going on? Still looking for a job. I thought I had one prospect, actually two, but both bailed out on me. So now I'm just moving on to the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. And hopefully I'll find something that be in agreement with what I can do, and be a little bit flexible with hours for me. But yeah, it's going really good. And this coming week I finally get my monthly check, and the usual cycle, pay your bills, and whatever you got left, that's what you got left. So I'm planning on rebooting my whole body system, like it's going to be the very first time I start keto, and it's going to be important for me to stay with it. And I want to get off of the maintenance program, and I want to get back on the weight loss. I do feel pretty good. I'm still down 110 pounds, but I still want to lose more weight. In times I feel bloated because I had to go off plan and eat the American processed foods, and because of the way the budget falls with two elderly people. And it's been really hard on Donna and I, and make no bones about it. I mean, I'm sure it's hard on everybody, but you just got to learn to figure out what works best for you, right guys? So that's what I got going on this week. I didn't want to do it too long of a video, but it's going really good. Last night, I don't know about your city or town, but last night we had the National Night Out last night. It was an event from 5 to 8, and I took some photographs, and they had all kinds of free food, and I took advantage of it, and I had what I had. And then afterwards we had a band concert right afterwards, and we went and saw that, so that was really good. And again, today I went out walking. I've been walking every day this month so far. I'm up to 15 miles of walking. I'm going to continue. There's no agenda amount of walking for any miles per month for this month. It's whatever I get. But we got some heavy duty rain coming in for the next couple of days, so I'll probably get maybe 1-2 more days of really good walking in this week, and then we'll see what happens with the rain. I may still go out walking in the rain. I got an umbrella, and I got my windbreaker that's kind of like a rain jacket that I wear, like I wore this morning, and I was fine with it. It was raining this morning, but I didn't care. I love going walking in the rain. Are you kidding me? But yeah, so I'm gonna kill the video. We're gonna get going, finish up my walk, rest up the rest of the day, and clean up that Ninja Mini, and I'll start making some ice cream videos for you guys to show you how that works. Now I went on to the Ketogenic Woman's website, or YouTube channel and website. She's got a lot of recipes she's made for low-carb weight loss using the Ninja Mini. She's also got one for egg fast. So I'm planning on rebooting my whole system, doing an egg fast for that 3rd week of the month. And I'm going to do the egg fast for the whole entire week for 7 days. It's recommended that you do 3 to 4 days, but we're going to do 7 days of eggs. And I'll buy eggs over the course of the week as I need them, and I'll be making my wife her own meals, and I'll be making the egg meals that I'll be making. I'll be going back to doing some more egg loaves and that sort of thing. It had to be one of those in Asians and stuff like that, and change it up. And that's something we got planned. And but anyways, got my Red Sox cap on, and they won last night, and they've been doing okay. But it is what it is with that. And I guess that's about all I got to say, but we're going to continue on with our walk. We're going to rest up, and tomorrow we're going to do some more walking adventures. I don't know where we're going to go yet, but tomorrow's Thursday. We got a concert at Brooks Pond tomorrow night. We're going to go down and watch that. And I'll probably shoot for about a 3, maybe 4 mile walk tomorrow somewhere. But anyways, be that as I said, wherever I go, I'll update you later on in the week, and oh yeah, Donna's doing really good. So thank you so much for supporting me and my wife, and all your prayers have really been helpful. She is really doing really great. So I can tell when she does great, when she feels like cleaning, and she gets into the really, really cleaning mode, you know. So, the only thing, like I said, she hasn't been to her favorite stores in a while, and I know it's killing her. But we get some money coming, guys. I'll take her shopping. Maybe I'll treat her or take her shopping this weekend. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll talk to you in the next video, and be watching for some future updates. Have an amazing day. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.